I know I'm always bragging about those Callaways, but they are the perfect people to help you out when you're buying or selling your home. And it's always fun because we drag Kelly Callaway down here because she tells us about these very cool homes. What do you have for us today?
Oh, wonderful home today. This one's in the Magic A5254,
Oh, my favorite.
which is the Scottsdale Mailing, the Phoenix Texas Utilities, and Paradise Valley Schools. So wonderful area. It is 2647 square feet, open floor plan, split floor plan, which I love.
Wow, that's nice.
Beautiful fireplace in the family room, open to the kitchen. It has a 3-car garage with cabinetry and its own dedicated AC. Has newer trains on it, 2 new train systems.
fantastic.
Yeah, wonderful home. Elegant crown molding. It has absolutely everything you need. The master has a sitting room, soak tub, dual sinks, walk-in closet. This home has everything, and I absolutely love this location.
Well, we know it's my favorite location in the 85254.
Yes, and this is in Arabian Views subdivision, so very
practically my neighbor.
Area.
That's fantastic.
It is.
All right, and what are we looking at price?
$589,900.
That's it?
And it's single level, so you know it's really priced well, dollars per square foot.
Yeah, that'll go fast. So when that one goes fast, everybody else is going to be calling you because you're going to get them hooked up into another home.
I hope so.
Thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.